One of the standout features of TuneHere.page is its automated release engine. While the platform is famous for its self-updating functionality, the engine needs your input for your specific release plans. You should schedule 3 sets of information in your admin panel to let the automation take over. Step 1. Set the pre-release section with countdown. First, select the pre-release section. Enter your desired date and time to make this section visible, and your official release date and time. This section will automatically appear and disappear on your website at the precise moment your music is released, and the countdown will begin accordingly. Step 2. Schedule the new release spotlight. Configure the new release module. Set the display from date to match your release time. This spotlight will instantly replace the pre-release section on your page. You can also choose how long this release remains highlighted, typically between 1 week and 1 month, before it programmatically disappears. Step 3. Set the Spotify sync date. Go to the Settings section. Finally, schedule your Spotify sync. It is best to set this for 6 to 24 hours after the release. This ensures Spotify has fully updated its database, allowing TuneHere to automatically refresh your discography with the new track. Preparing your pre-release content. To give fans a high-quality experience before the launch, you need to provide a teaser. 1. Use SoundCloud for teasers. SoundCloud's free tier is perfect for this. Upload a short preview or a teaser version of your track rather than the full song. 2. Upload artwork. Ensure your album cover is uploaded to the SoundCloud track so your visual branding is ready. 3. Get the URL. You don't need complex embed codes. Simply copy the main URL of the track directly from your browser's address bar. 4. Paste the link. Paste this URL into both the pre-release and new release modules so fans can hear the teaser before and after the launch. Adding pre-save and streaming links. Most distributors provide a pre-save link, like DistroKid's Hyperfollow or SoundOn, that eventually transforms into a play link for all streaming services. Copy this link and paste it into both the pre-release and new release modules. Here's what the SoundOn pre-save links page looks like. DistroKid's link page is very similar. We can now publish the page, which will transfer the current changes to our public page. Pro tips for verification and visibility. Because scheduled sections remain hidden until their program time, follow these steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. 1. Use the Preview Override. To check your data entry, check the Preview Override checkbox. This makes the page section visible regardless of the time you set, allowing you to verify the information. We see both pre-release and new release sections at the same time because we override the timing. Important: remember to uncheck this box once you have finished your verification. 2. Keep modules on. Ensure that the visibility for both the pre-release and new release modules is set to on. If these modules are turned off, the automated schedule will not function and the sections will not appear. Setting up this entire process takes approximately 5 minutes per release. By doing this a month in advance, right when you submit your music to your distributor, you can sit back and enjoy the release day. While you are busy engaging with fans on social media, your website will automatically update itself, acting as a professional, hands-free home for your music. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in our next video, where we explore even more magical features.